All right, here's some tips and tricks for working on Zearn module lesson 1. All right, here's some tips and tricks for place value on the Zearn module 1 lesson 1. First off, what they're asking us to do here is create 3 ones. Very simple. We started with these 3 dots. Then they wanted us to do it 10 times as many, and you'll see that we have done it 10 times. They're asking how many total dots are here, and we know if we do 10 times 3, we have 30 ones. First off, here we have 10 times 3 ones, and they're asking how many ones that makes. It makes 30 ones, and we bundled that. Now they're asking how many tens does it make? Well, when you had 3 ones and you did it 10 times, it became 3 tens. So what they're looking for here is 3 tens. Because 10 times 3 is 30. 30 ones is equivalent to or the same as 3 in the tens place. Then they take it a step further and they ask us if we have 10 times 3 ones, which is 30 ones, which is what we just had, if we bundled those 30 ones or regroup them, there's lots of ways to make that statement. How many tens do we have? Well, when we bundle them up, we would get 3 in the tens place. And really, when you look at what they're asking, they're saying 10 times 3 ones is how many ones? Well, that's 30 ones. And 10 times 3 ones is how many tens? 3 tens. You'll see the questions are the same. The unit that they're asking for is different. So this is asking for 1, so that would be 30 dots in the ones place. And if we rebundled those same question into tens, there would only be 3 in the tens place. Similar to this question, if there is 10 times 5 ones, how many ones would that be? Well, you've got to think of 5 ones. Doing that 10 times, it's the same as 5 times 10, which would give you 50 ones. And we're still in that ones place on the place value chart. Once you look at the next question, same question, 10 times 5 ones, but now they want to know how many tens you could rebundle that into. So you're taking your 50 ones, you're bundling them, regrouping them into tens, and it ends up being just 5 tens. What I love about what they're showing you today is how they're really showing you how a place value chart works. So if you start with 3, and you could put a 3 here, or you could put 3 dots here in the tens place, and you want to do it 10 times, you could make those dots 10 rows of those, but really what you're doing is making it 10 times bigger and sliding it to the next place value spot. Every time you move one place value spot, you make a number 10 times bigger. You make a row of these 10 dots and you bundle them and slide them over every single time. So if I started in the hundreds, I could do it 10 times bigger to get to thousands, 10 times bigger to get to 10,000s. So they're really showing you trends in place value, and we'll spend lots of time on this.